Hello students, in last class we started about the second chapter, that is relation and function. In that we discussed about the Cartesian product and some problems on Cartesian product. Again we will continue the same concept here, Cartesian product only. Okay, here if A equal to minus 1 comma 1, find A cross A here, right? Therefore solution, first find out here A cross A only. A cross A. What are the A value? Minus 1 comma 1. Cross. Again A value minus 1 comma 1. Therefore A cross A is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Next minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. Right, minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, next from 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. It is the value of only A cross A value. But here what to find out? A cross A value, right? Therefore A cross A value. First write A cross A value, that is minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. Cross. Again A. What the A means? Minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. Right. Therefore, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Next, minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Next 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. First one complete ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Next second ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. 1 minus 1 1. 1 1 1. Right? First minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 1 minus 1. Minus 1 1 minus 1. Next 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next 1 1 minus 1. 1 1 minus 1. Next from here minus 1 minus 1 1. Minus 1 minus 1 1. Next minus 1 1 1. Minus 1 1 1. Next 1 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 1. Next 1 1 1. 1 1 1. Right, these are the order pairs, right? That is the value of A cross A value it is, right? Next question here, if the set A has 3 elements and the set B equal to 3 4 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. Right, already we know the formula for, we know that number of elements present in A cross B can be calculated by n of A into n of B. n of A into n of B. Right, number of elements present in set A into number of elements present in set B. Okay, if the set A has 3 elements, okay, given here, how many elements in set A? n of A is equal to 3. The n indicate ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ number of element present in set A. Okay, n ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. n of A is equal to 3. How many elements in set A? 3. And how many elements in set A equal to 3? How many elements in set B? Here also 3 elements only. Therefore n of B is equal to 3. But here what to find out the number of elements in A cross B. That is the formula. n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. Therefore n of A cross B is equal to how many elements in set A? 3. How many elements in set B also? 3. Therefore 9. Therefore number of element present in A cross B is equal to 9 here. Right. Okay, Next problem here. If x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 1, find the value of x and y here. Right? Here order, these are the x plus 1 comma y minus 2 equal to 3 comma 1. Then want to find out the value of x and y. Therefore just comparison. X plus 1 is equal to 3. Equal sign is there. Order pair is equal to here. Okay, first term is equal to first. X plus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 1. X plus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore x equal to here 3 minus 1. Therefore x equal to 2. The value of x. Next here, y equal to 1 plus 2. Therefore y value 3. These are the values of x and y here, right? Okay, next problem here. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find the values of x and y here. Therefore solution here also comparison. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Right? Therefore x here want to find out the value of x and y. Therefore x by 3 as it is, 5 by 3 shifted to RHS means minus 1. Therefore x by 3 is equal to LCM here 3. Therefore 5 minus 3 divided by 3. Therefore x by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 3. Therefore 3 get cancelled. What is the x value here? 2. Therefore x equal to 2. The same way find out the y value. Y equal to 1 by 3 shifted to RHS means plus 2 by 3. Here LCM is 6. Therefore 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 3. Therefore y value here 1. Therefore x value here 2 and y value is 1. Right? Next problem here. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4 and C equal to 4, 5, 6. Find first one A cross B intersection C. Second A cross B intersection A cross C. Then third one A cross B union C. And fourth one A cross B union A cross C. Right? Therefore first find out here A cross B intersection C. Before that just first calculate this one B intersection C. Bracket dalli first calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Simple ಆಗಿದೆ. B intersection C first. Therefore solution first calculate B intersection C. What is the B value? 3, 4. Intersection. What is the C value? 4, 5, 6. Intersection meaning here common elements. Okay, what are the common element in set B and set C? ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 ಇದೆ, 4. Only one common element, that is 4. Right? Therefore B intersection C value here 4. Then find out A cross B intersection C. Right? What are the A value? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross B intersection C means 4. Then write the values in order pairs. Cross is 1, 4. 1, 4. Next 2, 4. 2, 4. Next from 3, 4. It is the value of A cross B intersection C. That is the value of A cross B intersection C. Right? Next, what is the second one? A cross B intersection A cross C. First bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? A cross B ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? A cross C. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ A cross B. What are the A cross B value here? Means set A values 1, 2, 3 cross. What are the B value? 3, 4. Therefore, write the values here. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Next from 2, 3, 2, 3. Next 2, 4. Next from 3, 3, 3, 3. Next 3, 4. It is the value of A cross B value. Okay, A cross B. Then find out A cross C. A cross C. What are the A value? 1, 2, 3 cross. What are the C value? 4, 5, 6 here. Right. Then find out 1, 4. 1, 4. Next 1, 5. 1, 5. 1, 5. Next 1, 6. 1, 6. Next from 2, 4. Next 2, 5. Next 2, 6. Next from 3, 4. 3, 5. 3, 6. These are the values of or order pairs of A cross C. Then what to intersection? A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. Right. What are the common element here? Right. Just here 1, 3. 1, 3 is there in A cross. Here what to find out the common element in A cross B and A cross C, because here intersection is there side. Right. Intersect common element ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1, 3 ಇದೆಯಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. 1, 4. 1, 4 ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ what to write? 1, 4. Next 2, 3. 2, 3 ಇದೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2, 3. 2, 4 ಇದೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆ 2, 4. 2, 4. Next 3, 3. 3, 3 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 3, 4. Yes, 3, 4. Therefore, A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. The value. Okay, next third one here, right? Right. Third one. A cross B union C. First find out the B union C. B union C. What is the B value? 3, 4. 3, 4. Union. C value 4, 5, 6. Union ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? All the elements ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Set A ದಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, set B ದಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, set C ದಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 3, 4, 5, 6 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 3, 4 already 4 is there. 5, 6. This is B union C. Then find out A cross B union C here. A cross B union C. What are the A value? It is 1, 2, 3 cross. What are the B union C? 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write it. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6. Right? 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next from 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. From 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. This is the value of A cross B union C here, right? Then last one, what to find out? A cross B union A cross C, same type, but intersection is union, difference. Just try ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. First ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, A cross B ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು A cross C ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. If A equal to, set A equal to 1, 2, set B equal to 3, 4, then want to prove that A cross B intersection null set is equal to null set. Okay, A cross B intersection null set is equal to null set. Okay, first find out here B intersection null set. Therefore solution B intersection null set. Right, what is the B value? It is 3, 4 intersection. Okay, null set meaning here there is no element, both are same. Okay, null set can represent like this also and like this also. There is no element in the given set. Intersection meaning here common. What are the common element? There is no common element here. Therefore, it is answer here again null set. Okay, therefore B intersection null set is equal to null set. But what to find out here? A cross B intersection null set is equal to, what are the A value? It is 1, 2. Cross, what are the B intersection null set is null set. Then what to here find out the Cartesian product, right? But here there is no element. Here namage 5 ante kori nave ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು 1, 5, 2, 5 but here there is no element ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂತ? Again it is null set. Therefore your answer is null set, right? Therefore A cross B intersection null set is equal to again null set or empty set. Empty set andru ondari, null set andru one, right? Okay, next problem here. Let A and B two sets such that n of A equal to 3, means number of elements present in set A equal to 3 and n of B equal to 2 if x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A cross B, means these order pairs are in A cross B, then find the set A and set B where x, y, z are distinct elements. Means what to find out here? Set A and set B. Okay, here given conditions are given. N of A means number of elements present in set A equal to here 3 and N of B number of elements present in set B equal to 2. Here x, 1, y, 2 and z, 1 are in A cross B here. Okay, x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in means belongs to A cross B. Then what to find out the set A and set B. Therefore set A means always first elements are belongs to set A x, y, z. X, y, z. Then second element always belongs to set B. That is 1, 2, 1 is there. Therefore 1, 2. Write only a double means write the only single. Therefore set A equal to x, y, z. Set B value 1, 2. Okay. How many elements in set A? 3. How many elements in set A? 3. How many elements in set B? Here 2 element. Here also n of b equal to 2. Therefore set A values here x, y, z and set B value 1, 2 here. Right.